Hi everyone and welcome back. So there is a big news regarding Galaxy Z Fold 5. We are just 2 days away from Samsung Unpacked event, and every day there is a new leak regarding upcoming foldable from Samsung. This time the two phones are compared side by side, and it really shows the difference between the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see from this image, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a bit thinner as compared to Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to Leakster Ice Universe, the phone is about 16% thinner than Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, this new foldable from Samsung will be lighter too, at around 253 grams in weight. This is a really good news for all the Samsung fans out there, as we know that Z Fold 5 was turning out to be a very minor upgrade, and it was getting hard to spot a difference between Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5. Being thinner and lighter, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same battery capacity like that of Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is 4500 mAh. By adding a new processor, Samsung will increase battery life with its next foldable. We will see about 10 to 20% better battery life thanks to that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Apart from that, it will have 12GB of RAM with 256 or 512GB of internal storage. Samsung has also started its reservation program for next foldable and Galaxy Watch, where you can avail $50 credit as well as 512GB storage model for the price of 256GB model. Pre-orders will start from 26th of July, and users will start to get their products in the first week of August. Samsung's most awaited Galaxy Watch 6 will be also announced at this Unpacked event, and once again the rotating mechanical bezel is back. Plus, we will have a new temperature monitoring app called ThermoCheck for this smartwatch. With this app, you can calculate the body temperature as well as temperature of your surrounding objects. Galaxy Watch 5 will also get this ThermoCheck app because of temperature sensor present on this watch, but Galaxy Watch 4 won't. So these were some updates regarding upcoming Samsung devices. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, as I'll be posting my comparison of Galaxy Watch 5 versus Galaxy Watch 6 as soon as I get my units. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.